Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and in this time I'm going to teach you guys to download about the Windows 11 Insider Preview using with the UUP download. I don't think it might be because you wanted to use, but somehow it might be a little bit creepy this time. Nah, I'm not sure. But anyway, before you have going to do it, you have going to choose behind on the Windows 11 whatever you wanted to download, the letters or whatever. So we're going to choose with this one. So I'm going to pick about the Windows 11 Insider Preview, blah 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 blah, the CEO release with this one, the AMD 64-bit. And then you have going to choose whatever you wanted to use, about the language or whatever you want. So without further ado, let's just go into next and make sure that the version will be correct. So in this time I'm gonna to pick the edition, so I'm not gonna to use. I'm gonna to choose with the Windows Pro only, but many people like wanted to download all of them, but forgive me, I don't want to use, so I'm going to choose with the Windows Pro. So we're going to next, and then finally, and you need to something you wanted to use. So I'm going to pick with the download and convert to ISO, but somehow people like wanted to use using anything or else, so just like that. But I'm just gonna to pick with the second choose, and then what you need to do, just you have gonna to untick if you don't want to get some include updates. So if you want to get that, so just pick it up and then click the create a download package. So I've already downloaded some of the files. It calls just like might be this one, but I forgot because I was already to delete. So never mind, let's go into download and we'll be right back. Okay, so after you have to download it, and so you can actually just extract files and whatever you wanted to do, because many people like something what they wanted to choose or whatever. So I will just extract on the local disk C, go to the UUP dump, and yeah, just run with the admin. So because I've already did with that, because I have the ISO file, believe it or not, because this file has the biggest, they try to something, they gonna to I just a little bit some files. But if you see here, they actually need to download, but yeah, it was correct behind on UUP WP on here. So this is what we got, 3.01, and then they're gonna convert to ISO, and yeah. So without further ado, let's install about the Windows 11, and yeah, we'll some a little bit to do with that. Okay, so the first thing, if you see here, just like a guide mode, but I'm gonna to choose with expert because expert was easy to do with. So we're gonna to put Windows 11, and then we're gonna to choose Windows 10. People do this, but I'm just gonna to ignore that. So yeah, and then I'm gonna do 4096 create, and then you have gonna to adjust a little bit, but for me I'm gonna to do it 30. No, I think it's 50. So yeah, and then we're gonna to create, we're gonna to setting up behind the system. You need to adjust your CPU, go to 4. If you want to enable with this one, just enable, but for me I'm just gonna to enable it that because it needs to be much more function to your CPU for this VirtualBox. So we're gonna go to the storage, we're gonna to pick, and then you're gonna to choose this file, select the ISO you located. So for me, I'm just gonna to locate, and then once you have done to do, then you are good to go to install it. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna to choose that I was pick about the ISO file, just deal with that. Again, I'm gonna to full screen with this one. So this is what we got, the actually real the operating system, the Windows 11. I think I've been like just like being a first look this, but nah, Linus and Michael MJD was ready to do that. They first like operating system Windows 11. So you can see here it was a different when I was gonna to choose about the language, and then they just change it up. So that might be a little bit weird, but I'm just getting on with that. Take too long to do, and then you're gonna choose. I don't have a product key. I'm gonna accept with this one, custom, and just next. We'll be right back. Alright, so the installation and everything else to do, we got finishing up, installing updates, and finally, and yeah, going to restart. And something that you wanted to do it, I just ignored that. He just waking up about like on the bottom. I wish if they will be put on the top, so it would be easy a lot. So I can just like this without having a trouble to do it. Yeah, and you don't need to press any key because you already done to install. So yeah, we got a nice logo. Oh wait, actually I forgot this one. We got a nice logo here, and some this is will be nice. I think this the loading, the circle loading should be need to change. So for me, it looks better. So 100%, yo. I'm just kidding. Okay, so they actually just restart, and we're gonna to see how they pretty much better to see. I guess maybe I guess I'm actually bought just like that, but I think in case and a little bit something like much more better. Oh wait, I actually see with that the actually this loading screen, and there's no background eyes with like there's no blue. It's just a black screen. Okay, that was looking so nice. I actually love with that because they pretty have something might be much more improvement that the loading screen. I guess there might be actually something done to it. Yeah, we got some logo and nice, and yeah, it's pretty nice to see with that. Oh, they have some animation. Okay, that was nice. I love it that. This is this a right country on region? I think I was living on Malaysian. Where is Malaysia? Okay, there we go. Next is the correct keyboard layout or input method. I'm just gonna choose with the US because I always love that. Uh, anyway, my icon was not pretty simple because it might be a much more different to say with that. I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to just continue because I don't want to use the internet. Blah 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 blah. Who's going to use this PC? I'm going to put my name just like that. Next, I don't need to put some password, so we'll be right back to do. Hi, they have something in here, but I'm just gonna skip. Many people like gonna turn off all of them, but for me, I always use that. So anyway, this computer actually was turned off, so don't need to worry. Oh wow, that might be a little bit much more better when I see this one. This here. at the background. Any else? Blah 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 blah. I don't know how to say with that, but it's pretty nice to see uh that actually like some few they gonna to settings, and yeah, this might be your first time to use Windows 11. Oh, now they're just doing with the start menu. Alright. I'm going to unpin. How many do you wanted to download something just like that? Oh, okay. So we got a nice, we got pretty much more better. Oh, I can see with the notepad and pen. That looks pretty awesome. They just icon or something. Okay, so I'm gonna to install the CD guest, install the driver. So yeah, let's see this one. I'm going to click yes. Oh wow. There we go. Now I'm going to start menu entries and then install. I'm just gonna click with that, and then you're gonna to reboot. So how is it going to your PC? I mean your VirtualBox. Don't get me wrong if I sing just like that, because I forgot PC. Guess I always forget to say VirtualBox that I'm using right now. I guess that the driver is like a little bit glitch, but I'm just gonna ignore that. It's pretty fine. Oh wow, the loading screen, and this is a new, like, whatever I call it is. So now what? I'm pretty sure they have something much more improvement inside this one. So yeah. Ta-da! We got a full screen. We got nice. Oh yeah, I forgot this one. We didn't have icons. So let's see here. I'm going to themes, and then I'm going to choose that icon. No. Which means that I'm going to put on the desktop. Okay, that looks better. I forgot something that people say you can actually to move this one at the center to on the left. So it might be on the personalization text bar behaviors. How about the left? Yeah. Yeah, that was correct. So I just like wanted to see the center, because this is how nice to see with that. Okay, so the system, actually I'm using the VirtualBox too, so don't get me wrong, okay? And it's pretty nice. Let's see if I could be able to click refresh. You can actually click refresh in here. The new design, that what I was like with this one, they actually just much more improvement setting. You can do whatever you wanted. So this is what will be see like that. And also if you click in here, there's something like much more improvement that I've seen a lot. We get some good icons in here. I think they just together just like that. So how about the networks? No. PNG layout. Okay, so I forgot to show you guys the inside of the Windows Explorer. There actually some might be different settings in here. The new icons, the new design. Oh wait, I forgot to eject that the CD drive. Also, they just redesign in here that the people will always they love wanted to use. So there's no ribbon in here. I think there might be something much more better to see. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys really enjoy it. So I will see you guys in the next video. So see ya.